I am Tycho from Amsterdam, born and raised in Amsterdam, and in this video I'm delivering food.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Banstraat.
So, I just now came from the Hilton Hotel, and no, I didn't stay there myself. I was delivering food in the Hilton Hotel. Funny thing is, I was not allowed to leave the food over there. I had to wait till the person came down. So, because in other hotels usually you can leave the food at the reception desk, but the Hilton Hotel takes their things very seriously and you never know what can be in this food bag. Understandable. So, wait, let me take a sip of water. So, I'm cycling in the direction of the Ferdinand Bolstraat to a place called...
Turn right onto Banstraat, then turn left onto Nicolaas Maesstraat.
Poké Bowl Olakino, which is quite a popular place, I found out.
Turn left onto Nicolaas Maesstraat. In 200 meters, turn right onto Hondecoeterstraat.
And from there, I'll deliver the food. So, for those of you who don't know, I recently started with this Just Eat takeaway food delivery job, 6 hours per week, to make this extra content here on YouTube. I think it's super actually, and I'm enjoying it a lot.
Turn right onto Hondecoeterstraat, then turn left onto Ruysdaelkade.
Because I'm, anyways, I was cycling for YouTube, but now I got a goal, Now I can just go to a restaurant, pick up food and deliver it, and cycle through this, like these streets. I wouldn't cycle here normally. I mean, why would I, right?
Turn left onto Ruysdaelkade.
But now, the TomTom is leading me in this direction. Okay, well, maybe not in the moment. Now I'm not listening to the TomTom.
Head east on Frans van Mierisstraat toward Berchemstraat.
And
In
okay,
100 meters, turn right onto Berchemstraat. Turn right onto Berchemstraat, then turn left onto Ruysdaelkade.
oh, okay, she sometimes talks a little bit too much, but okay. I say TomTom, but of course I mean just the Google navigation. But TomTom, everyone understands what I mean.
Turn left onto Ruysdaelkade.
So again, past the Roelof Hartplein, Roelof Hart Square.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Hartplein S108.
Oh yeah, I couldn't go to the left, so yeah. This was maybe my mistake. Well, not maybe. I mean, there's only one person here, so okay, it was my mistake. I should have listened to the TomTom, maybe. But that's okay. I once was friends with someone living in this building here, on top of the library. And let me tell you, the view is amazing from there. It's just that, yeah, we're not allowed to... It's a library at the bottom, and us citizens, regular citizens who are in no affiliation with the people living there, are not allowed to go up that roof. Or maybe, if we ask nicely,
Exit the roundabout onto Roelof Hartstraat. In 200 meters, turn left onto Hartplein S108.
yeah, there was a nice stamp store here back in the days to buy stamps. And so now it's gone. But when I was a kid, I bought a lot of stamps. I bought those wool years. Like, okay, let me buy the wool of 1970 or 1971. And I still got them all in perfect mint condition. So these are stamps. All the stamps that came out that year. Okay, time to do something illegal. It's green here, so a little bit against the traffic here, just to cross the street
In 200 meters, turn right onto Albert Cuypstraat.
Watching out for cars, of course. And crossing over here. So here we are. It would take ages otherwise. And with ages I mean 5 minutes. You know, 5 minutes can feel like ages. Going to the right here, not listening to Google. Hey, a colleague of mine. Well, there's hundreds of these food delivery peeps
Head
here
east
in
on
the city.
Eerste Jan Steenstraat
Guys and
toward
girls.
Viottastraat. In 200 meters, turn left onto Ferdinand Bolstraat.
So we're in the pipe, PIJP. I don't know what you heard about me. We're in the PIJP. Go to the... What is the name again? Poké Bowl bar or something?
Turn left onto Ferdinand Bolstraat, then turn
Olakino.
right.
The Ferdinand Bolstraat. Ferdinand Bol, a student of Rembrandt. There we go.
Turn right toward Ferdinand Bolstraat, then turn left onto Ferdinand Bolstraat.
Olakino, okay, yes. I think I said Okalino, or the Albert Kuip market
Turn
here on the
left
right.
onto Ferdinand Bolstraat. In 300 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Yeah, so on the map on the right on my phone you can actually see where I came from is the line on the left. Then in the middle with the orange logo, that's
Your
the
destination
restaurant.
is on the left.
And then with the blue logo on the right is the place where I'm gonna go. So the customer who ordered this Poké Bowl from Olakino. Or as they would say in Japan, Olakino. So right here next to the Heineken Experience, the first Heineken brewery in the world. Hey, ik heb een bestelling voor Hamza.
Ja, dat is deze 1 seconde hoor.
Hier. Yes. Well, she said 1 seconde hoor, and you understand what it means, of course, because it's almost the same as English. Plus, I put the subtitles there, right? Gotta stay hydrated. Werkse, there we got that word which I talked about in another video. Werkse. Have a good working day. Werkse. It's very peaceful in that Olakino. Believe me, it's popular. A lot of people order from there. I need to go to the right here.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Mierisstraat.
Heineken Experience entrance is over here. So this is the edge of the pipe, the PIJP district. On the left starts the center. Well, those buildings on the left. Where there's water in between. Two bells at the same time. Isn't that beautiful? I can mix things up. I should buy a tutor again, but yeah, last tutor got vandalized. So But yeah, tutor is fun. So.
Right onto Woustraat.
Yeah, I'm not listening to the tom-tom for some reason. So here I'm like, oh wait, there's a playground or something. Oh, there's people walking here. Whoa. I mean, I should have gone to the right a bit further.
Turn right to stay on Nicolaas Berchemstraat, then turn right onto Stadhouderskade.
So now we're at the Albert Kuip market. There's no market now at the moment. And then we end up at the Van Woustraat.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Rustenburgerstraat.
Oh, the Mini. Did you see the car? I think there was an X. But oh no, I bought from Elon Musk from X, but it's a different kind of X, I think. Maybe from X Factor, or maybe from Max Factor, the makeup brand. Yeah, look at this car. I mean, give me some space, please. And this one as well, see? Give me some space. Go a little bit more to the left. It's such a common mistake, you know? Like they forget that there's also cyclists here. At least here, you know, they made a separate bicycle road, so stuff like that can't happen. But as soon as the road disappears, those cars don't know, like, oh, how far to the right can I go?
Turn right onto Rustenburgerstraat, then your destination will be on the left.
Yeah, so she said turn right onto the Rustenburgerstraat, and I'm like, oh. And I'm like, oh wait, this is maybe a bit too soon. I zoom in.
It's a good joke.
And it's a good joke indeed. Because I thought like, okay, can I go to the left over there? You know, to just end up in the other street. But then you'll see now in a moment, in 1 second here.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah, oh, okay, I turned the other way. Yeah, well, it was not on the left, it was like a garage, a parking garage on the left.
That
so
is a good joke.
yeah. So I had to go back. So I'm sorry, Google was right, the navigation was right. Yes, yes, yes. There we are. Rustenburgerstraat. Very tight over here. I mean, look at this. The door opens and there's the stairs is immediately there. So I just left my bag outside. These buildings are very old. So, thank you
Alsje.
for watching the video.
Zo.
Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to order a pizza and I'll be delivering it right to your place. Ciao, ciao.